Okay guys, working on the 2015 JK. This is a minor thing. I'm doing an air filter change, but my eyes just got open to something I hadn't paid attention to before. I'm replacing the air filter. This is an easy process, right? Shouldn't have to make a video about this, but look at this seal. It's not bonded at all to this, to this. You can just pull it off and pull it around, the seal all the way around. It's not bonded anywhere. And so that worries me a little bit because you have to jam the filter in here and then hopefully it stays in place as you work this piece back onto the top. And as you know from doing these Chryslers, and maybe other vehicles are like this too, they don't they don't go flat straight down on top of the filter. They never do. And I guess you can take this all apart and then put it straight down and make sure you make a good seal. That's, this is just kind of a pain in the butt. So jamming this filter down here and then trying to jam this on at an angle and then try to rock it down without ripping, peeling this off is a little worrisome to me. So I just caution you, if you're in the store and you're buying a filter, maybe just look at the seal, make sure it's bonded. This is a MICROGUARD filter. It was not cheap. And so, I thought, okay, this is a better quality filter. I got this at O'Reilly's. But I'm not super happy with this because I'm worried that I can mess this up. Now, this filter that came out, it doesn't have a brand on it. But you literally can't, it's bonded. It's totally glued on. You can't peel it off at all. So they look the same, but they're not the same. So when I'm getting a filter in the future, I'm going to check it. I'm going to be peeling this off, opening the package, and just checking to make sure this is bonded. Because if it's not, I'm not sure I want to try to cram it in there and maybe, roll the seal off and then have it sucking air past my filter, or not making a good seal. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this is just a regular air filter change, but this one was all matted in the back here. There was a rat nest that got stuck in it, so a rat had crawled in right here through this and then made a nest down in there. Of course, when I started the vehicle, I don't know when it was, but all the rat nest just got sucked right up to this, and it was full of leaves and sticks and straw and all kinds of stuff, and trash around the house and little pieces of plastic. And you can see all the colors there. But anyway, so it kind of clogged my filter up. I didn't really notice a performance problem, but you can still see stuff falling out of it there. But so when I went to change the filter, I thought, well, go ahead and put this screen in. I just used a few self-tapping screws there, and I think this is 1/2 inch. This isn't. I wanted to use 1/4 inch. I still don't think a mouse can get through 1/2 inch though, like a regular mouse. But it definitely a rat's not going through there. So anyway, just pay attention maybe when you get a filter in the future. Check to make sure it's bonded, or at least, feel around there. Make sure you've got a good seal, because if you're off-roading, you definitely don't want to be sucking dirty air. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, check out my JK playlist on my channel if you're interested in other videos. All right, take care.